Hello, I'm Alice.
Hi, I'm Kevin.
I'm Winnie.
We have 3 topics about Taiwan of this interview. They are educational environment, features, and custom. Besides, we find some foreigners, and in the end, we will compare those conditions with different countries. Okay, let's go!
Sure.
Hi, I'm Alice. I come from Taiwan. And what's your?
I'm Williams Poe, and I'm from America.
I want to ask you the custom about your country. Okay. The first question is: we have a holiday on October 10, which is National Day of Taiwan. So National Day is to commemorate the day which Republic of Taiwan established. So do your country have the kind of holiday to commemorate in your country?
Yeah, we have 4th of July.
4th of July.
Yeah, that's to celebrate
4th
the
of July.
independence. It's called Independence Day.
Independence Day.
Yeah.
So what's the? Do you do something to like that day?
They're all pretty arbitrary. Like people will set off fireworks, get together to eat outside, like barbecue.
Wow.
But that's about it.
That's about it.
Yeah.
You just eat.
And it's just to celebrate America's independence from Britain. But there are a few other holidays that I think have more meaning that also commemorate our country, like Veterans Day, which is to celebrate and honor past soldiers that fought for America.
Hi, I'm Kevin. I come from Taiwan. How about you?
Hi, my name is Jamal. I came from Uzbekistan.
We have a question about education. The first question is how about your education system in your country?
Education system in my country is a little bit different than the Taiwanese education system. So in my country, people study like 9 years in the school, and then after graduating from the school, they go to lyceum. Lyceum is basically a pre-university school. So what people do is that they choose what you're gonna be. They choose the major, and then they go to the school, which is concentrated on that major. So let's say you want to be economist, right?
Yes.
After graduating from the school, you go to pre-university of economics. So they will teach you more economic stuff, economic things. Basically that's the big difference between the Taiwanese school and then my school. The timing is also differs by your level. So if you're studying primary school, students usually spend their time in the school like around 5 hours, and then in the middle school they spend around like 6-7 hours, and then when you're like in the high school or like the lyceum, the pre-university school, they spend almost like 8 or 9 hours studying for university, preparing for university examinations.
Also, so your high school, your education system just like the college?
Yeah, something like this. So as I said, they study 3 years for preparing for university.
Oh.
It's not like Taiwanese where like you study from 1st grade to 12th grade. After finishing 9th grade, you just go to we call it pre-university school. So you're kind of making effort on your subject which you will do in the future.
So if you want to enter the university, you just prepare for your major.
Yeah.
You don't need to prepare for all subjects.
No. Actually, you will also take the classes like if you want to be let's say economist, as I said, you will have a still class like biology, chemistry, but it's going to last only 1 hour. So main point will be on the subjects will be used in the future.
Oh, okay. Okay. The next question is which method your teacher do in your class? Like just just teaching you and the students only listen for teacher, or the teacher will let you discuss on class?
Actually, it depends on the teacher.
Okay.
It's like every teacher they have their own way of teaching. For example, math classes usually teacher just teach. We don't have any group studies or presentations in the math class, because in the math you cannot really do presentations, right? And like biology or physics or like let's say literature, there will be assignments for the group, and then during the class you can come up with the team and talk about a particular topic. So it depends on the teacher and depends on the subject which you take.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Win. My topic is about features of Taiwan. The first question is, just like in Taiwan, there are many convenience stores everywhere. Is there any convenience store like Taiwan, just like open for 24 hours and there are many servers? They have many food and you can buy clothes there and you can pay your bill. Is there
Anything
any
like that?
stores like convenience store in Taiwan, in your country?
First of all, I'm from Korea, and I think you might have heard about it. Korean people really like drinking. Like all of them, even in university, they drink a lot. So like most of the people drinking at night made this culture, which made all the stores will be open until really late time. So because of that, we also have a lot of convenience store that's open for 24/7. But we have all the stores, like all the restaurants. Restaurants are often open until like 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. for those people who drinks, because everybody drinks in Korea. I mean, most of them. And second, because of those drunken people, you know, when you're drunk, you're more easy to buy stuff. All the other shops are mostly open, targeting those people to sell their whatever item they are selling. So in that way, for me, when I came to Taiwan, I only saw convenience store available at night. So I was kind of depressed because I thought there was no place to eat at night, because I'm used to eat at the restaurant at really late time with my friend. So it's kind of culture in Korea.
So, because in Taiwan there are not restaurants open till late, or
I mean, there are some restaurants, like few restaurants open until very late time, but it's only few of them. I mean, in Korea, there's like most of restaurants are open until at least like 12 o'clock at night.
so
But most of restaurants here opens until 8, right? So, yeah.
so what I want to ask is that because we close too early, so will you buy something?
From convenience store?
No. Buy something to store. So until too late, you will.
Yeah, so now I'm doing that. Now I'm buying some food and snacks and storing it the fridge, so I can eat it later, because there is no store open at their late time. Because I can't always eat convenience store food, so I'm doing that. But it was really hard to get used to it when I like just came to Taiwan, because it was a very big cultural difference.